Do you dream of having your articles go viral? Can you imagine finally getting rewarded for all of your writing efforts? Are you ready for that big payday check? Like most things, it takes consistency and perseverance to succeed in anything beneficial. But if you're just starting out, it can often seem excruciatingly long. It feels like you're writing articles that are going on deaf ears, and spending hours on things that feel fruitless. Until one day, you notice your articles getting a lot more claps and comments. You then look at your earnings and notice that your article is racking up way more money than what you're used to. You wonder to yourself, did I go viral? Congratulations, you probably did. This article aims to answer the what's next question that you'll probably ask yourself after you come off the virality high. An ode to viral content. Let me be clear. What's considered viral for you may be normal for other people. Don't compare your results to other people, it's you against you. And it always will be. Let's get into the monetization tips. The beautiful thing with virality is that you get a lot more traffic to your content than what you're normally used to. Your goal for monetization is to figure out how to juice up your earnings. There are 2 things I recommend doing in order to do this. 1. Increase your revenue streams. 2. Diversify your touch points. 3. Create more top-of-mind content. Number 1. Increase your revenue streams. When you're writing online, it's always a good idea to increase your revenue streams. Don't depend solely on medium earnings. There's more than one way to make money from your articles. Here are a few. 1. Affiliate marketing. 2. Tips. 3. Online courses. It's my recommendation to take advantage of the increased traffic to your articles and plug in relevant resources that could help you get paid. For example, if you're talking about cats, it may be helpful to include affiliate links to cat toys. You get the idea. In short, diversify the ways you can get paid from your article. Don't depend solely on medium earnings. Number 2. Diversify your touch points. When you're a content creator, having an audience is important. But you never want to depend solely on one platform. Leverage your viral traffic by directing them to sign up for your email list and follow your other social media platforms. This way, if one platform goes down, you have another to back you up. It's as simple as including your social media/email opt-in link within the article. Number 3. Create more top-line content. Use your viral content as market research. There's a reason your content went viral to begin with. Find out the reason. Looking at your comments section is usually a good place to start. Look at the reasons people are praising your content. For example, in the above picture, I can see that people are looking for more tips on how to create content on YouTube. It would make logical sense that my next article would be this. https://medium.com/how to turn your blog articles into YouTube shorts automatically 4516/6 DCF0D. Source equals user_profile 0. That way you're leveraging your current traffic to other pieces of content that they would want to know more information about. Going viral is easy, getting them to come back is the challenge. Bonus, your post-viral roadmap. In summary, here's what you need to do after you go viral. 1. Update your content with relevant affiliate links. 2. Plug in email opt-in plus social media links. 3. Create more top-line content similar to the viral topic. What will you create?